Why is it harder to maintain an affiliate than to start a new one? With Stefan Mühlbauer, Masters in Cash.
Hello, hello. Oh, some people are leaving. It looks like SEO is a more interesting topic here for the people than affiliate management. So, before we start, I would be really curious from the people that stayed now here in the audience, what you are doing. So, who of you is an affiliate manager or managing a network? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you I know. This was clear for me. So, yeah. Thank you very much for joining here, no matter if you're an affiliate manager or not. We have today a little bit of a controversial topic. It's called why it's harder to maintain an affiliate than to start a new one. When you look at classical sales and marketing, we all have this rule that says it's around 7 times more complicated, cost intense, time intense to generate a new partner, a new client, than to maintain one. And in my opinion, it's different in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, it's exactly the opposite. From my experience, and I do this now since 11 years, I think it's way harder to keep an affiliate active than to start a new one. So the next 20 minutes are dedicated to this topic. My name is Stefan Mühlbauer. I'm very happy that the organizers were pronouncing that pretty okay today. I heard worse. And I'm very happy to speak to you about this. I work for Masters in Cash. We are I say here, chat entertainment platform. And I share with you some of my experiences. So let's get started. What I said already in the beginning, in my opinion, it's way easier to find an affiliate, to start an affiliate, to maintain one. Why? Getting the affiliate is quite easy. The affiliates are very proactive in finding you, especially if you have some type of reputation or good offers on the market. Every affiliate has this as a business model to find new offers that are performing better, that pay out more, that have a better service, that are unique. So affiliates are reaching out to you. The entire business is online. It's not like with a restaurant where clients have to find you maybe on the streets when they are passing by. No, they are searching for it. They have their boards where they get their informations. They have spy tools, or we have spy tools, where they see what is performing on the market. And also when an affiliate decides to test something new, he don't have to put a big effort into it. He goes into his tracker, he signs up for this affiliate program, he sets up tracking, he presses the button, and the traffic is flying to a new offer with 10% or something like this to see how it performs. Oh, one foil is missing. No, it doesn't matter. So one foil is missing. It was simply where I was saying that I own also a restaurant, and from this I have also the experience how much is the difference between affiliate marketing and brick and mortar business. So for me, it's very, 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 I cannot say so many varies until the time is over to get somebody in my restaurant. But when they are there and I'm serving something nice and I give them a nice experience, they stay with me. With affiliates, I can have good offers, I can have good service. If somebody is coming around the corner that is performing a little bit better, the guy is lost. And I made something like a life cycle of affiliates, like it's the classical marketing approach, for intervals of the life of an affiliate with you. So the first life cycle is the acquisition. And the acquisition can happen in many different ways. It can be a referral. A friend says like, hey, you have to try this offer, or you have somebody that you maybe don't even work with, like let's say a guy that is running crypto, we are doing like entertainment, and he says like, speak to these guys, they have some good stuff. So these are the referral stuff. Then the cold reach out, especially if you hire some junior affiliate managers, you can always tell them like, hey, your portfolio is very low, you go now to the boards, you go into the Telegram groups, you can go on Facebook, you can write the people, hey, what are you doing? You know the drill. If you are affiliate manager, you went through this. If you manage a network, you had to tell the guys to do this. And if you are an affiliate, or even if you are not, you're used to these messages from the people. Hey, bro, what are you doing? Hey, sir, what are you doing? Hey, dear. It depends from which country the guy is, the affiliate manager, how he will talk to you. So then, of course, like what we are doing here now, on the conventions, if some people say, hey, Stefan's approach of affiliate management I like, this is something where you can find new contacts. Then, of course, the own research of the affiliate, he's using spy tools to find the best offers, and the marketing of the program itself. You make a booth, you make some sponsored banners in affiliate blogs, blah, 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 blah. There are 1,000 ways to make it. And the first conversion point is to get the affiliate to sign up, and then to get him started. And this point is normally pretty easy. The guy finds you, and the moment he signs up, he has some dedication to work with you, to cooperate with you. But now, it's also the first big problem. Who of the affiliates is really serious? Is the guy maybe a competitor? Is the guy doing only fraud? Is the guy really legit? And to focus on the real affiliates that are important for you, is important to qualify the affiliate in the beginning. So you have to talk with him when he signs up. What traffic are you running? What geos are you running? What type of promotion you will use? Also, what is very important, what tracker you are using. Also, what payment model you want. It happens to me also. People are reaching out to me, and we run only CPL and RevShare, for example. And they sign up, and everything is perfect. They like the offer. They are, bless you. They like the offer. They like the geo. Everything is smooth. We like what they have, and then they want CPA. So all the work was for nothing, and they have to wait until we offer CPA, or maybe we have luck, and in the future they try something. So always qualify the affiliate before you really put too much effort in it. Otherwise, it's a waste of time for you, but also for the affiliate, and that's not good for anybody here involved. So you have to present yourself as something unique. I think it would be always not recommended to brag around, to lie, or to speak bad about competitors. So promises like, yeah, we are the best on the markets, this is never working, because if it's not working, you are a liar. So the second step in the life cycle of the affiliate is the maintenance of the affiliate. So everything is smooth, the affiliate agrees to everything, the program agrees to what the affiliate is offering, and now the traffic is coming in. And this is now where the problems start. And the first problem is to keep the affiliate alive just with the traffic and with the promotions that he is doing at the moment. But here is already where the affiliates are stopping. The affiliates stop for many reasons. It can be bad performance, it can be bad service, bad issues, or it can be private reasons. And the affiliate managers have to be always on top of the game with that. Because very often an affiliate manager that is hunting is not automatically a very good account manager. Me, for example, I really like to go to the shows, meet new people, talk with them. Bro, what are you doing? Here is a beer. Let's cooperate. But when we are back home and the guy is starting, I'm not paying too much attention to this guy anymore. I have to admit that. We have account managers, so I hand them over. I'm in the comfortable situation to hand this guy over. But a lot of companies, they don't have it. The guy that is hunting, or the person that is hunting the affiliate, wants to manage it because there is maybe a commission involved. And if this person is very good in hunting, is always hungry for new blood coming in, but not maintaining this guy in the perfect way. So it's very often possible that an affiliate is stopping or reducing, and nobody in the company is even realizing that. So what is very important, if you know that you are this type of manager and you have nobody that you handed over to manage the account, is to have a proper CRM system with alerts that always sends a reminder to watch the affiliate, so you are forced to doing it. You have to check the new guys and the ones that are active every day to see directly a movement that is going strict down, and you have to suggest the affiliate always solutions and be solution-orientated. Also, I think it's very nice to approach the affiliate proactive when the traffic quality is good and give bumps in the payout. when you ask for it, it's not the same thing and not the same validation than if you approach somebody and say, I have something for you. Thank you very much for the great business that you are bringing to us. Your traffic is amazing. Do you have more for this? Even if you don't have, we are so happy with this. Here is 10% a bump. And this makes usually everybody happy. And even if he's not increasing immediately, it's very, very likely that this guy says like, okay, next time they are suggesting me an offer, I will give it a try. So this is the second life cycle so far. Now we come to the third one. I called it to the moon. Crypto, big topic. Maybe also crypto affiliates, crypto affiliate managers here. Most probably 50% of you minimum are hodling. So I called it to the moon. And the target is to become the affiliate's favorite partner. So the guy is stable. He's running. He got his first payout bump. You had the first problem. The tracker was not working maybe for 1 hour. Conversions were low for 2 days or something like this. You solved that all together. And now you really have to grow the business together. And this is now what separates the losers from the winners on affiliate side, but also on affiliate manager side. So what you can do to grow the affiliate, to say like from an average guy, I put you to a high roller, to a whale, to somebody that is making big money for everybody, to somebody that wins all the prizes when there is an affiliate competition. And there are several tools and things that we are using to grow the affiliates to this level. One of them is to build white labels for them. If you have really your own brand to promote, it's something that the affiliates really enjoy. They can use different ways to promote it. And when they have their own brand, they are also more loyal. Then you can give them exclusive offers. They get something as the first guys, or they share it only with 2-3 people. You can make incentives for them. So you can say like, look, you're making at the moment 1,000 leads a month, let's say. If you make 2,000 leads, you get a PlayStation 5. You get 1,000 euros. It depends what you do. If you do crypto and you say if you do 1,000 first-time deposits more, you cannot say you get a PlayStation 5. Guy will say, I can buy 2 from 1 deposit, right? Then you have to maybe say you get a car or something like this. But you have to make personalized incentives. And it always works way better if you custom build something for the affiliate than make a general lead rally. Because if the affiliate is already on the moon stage, you should know something about this person. You should know, has the guy kids? Does the guy likes cars? Is it a girl that likes high fashion stuff? And then you can build incentives dedicated for this persons. If you make a giveaway and you say, I give a headphone if you make minimum 1,000 leads or whatever, and this person just bought new Beats or new Bang & Olufsen, the motivation to run this challenge is way lower. If you speak with this person and you know this person needs headphones, you can make a challenge out of this for this person. And this will be always valued. Personal connection with the affiliate is really one of the key factors to make an affiliate to the third and the fourth cycle. And it's on you to make it. It's not only good offers, it's really the personal connection you have with this person. Personal meetings. When you go to a convention and you know this person is there, set a meeting, show validation. It don't have to be always that you take the partner to a fancy dinner, champagne fontaine, whatever. It's enough sometimes to simply meet in the beer garden for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, have a chat, meet personal, build trust, discuss the future. Maybe don't even discuss business. Get to know this person, and then you can go back and build an incentive for this. Then I think it's also important then when you make a mistake, or when something is happening, that you approach this problem proactive, so you don't wait until the affiliates are finding out this. So when your platform is down, you have to tell your affiliates, the platform is down, and not wait until they come back to you, because first they think you don't know your stuff, and the second thing is, they think you want to hide it. But if you tell them, they cannot play this card. They are happy that you stand up for your thing. And if you stand up for what you do, it doesn't matter if it's affiliate life, it's a friendship, it's a relationship, it's God knows what. If you stand up for your mistakes, it's always appreciated and more valued than you simply try to hide things. And we are back to the bumps. Now we are in a situation where you give the next level of bumps because the guy is so big that you can really afford that. And now we come to the last life cycle of the affiliate. To keep the affiliate. The target in business is always to make more business. To grow the affiliate, you have to grow the business. But you come sometimes to a level where it's not possible anymore to grow the affiliate, or to grow the affiliate only with such a big effort that it's not worth for you to do it, but also not for the affiliate. If the affiliate have to work double the time to make 5% extra, if you have to invest 1 hour per day extra just to milk the last 2% of this person, it's not worth it. So you will reach a level where it's the most important to reach the status quo. And there are a lot of dangers. Other affiliate managers from other companies, they will most probably realize, hey, there is a big shot. And they will go sneaky like hitman behind your back to steal the affiliate from you. And if you have not done your homework before and the guy grew only because you had luck, he will leave you and he will become a baller for another company, and you can go home and you have nothing. So really the last step is to keep the guy active and happy, and you will stay happy then as well. So you have to monitor it. If there is a problem, you have to inform him. You have to speak with this person minimum 1 time per week. In some verticals, it's even necessary to speak with this person 2 times per day. For example, say it, mobile content, right? There can happen so much stuff. You have to be solution orientated. If you pay out monthly and you have a guy that makes 20, 30, 40, 50, 100K per month, and he says, hey, to keep the cash flow, you have to pay me weekly, and your CFO says like, yeah, but we pay only monthly. That's bad. You have to go to your CFO and you have to knock on the door and say like, hey, weekly payments, otherwise this person is leaving and he pays you, mine, and 2 other salaries. So please find a solution for that. And normally every modern company will find a solution for this kind of things. And what is also a very good thing is inviting to first mover offers. With first movers, I'm not meaning new offers. With first mover, I mean more completely new verticals. So let's say, for example, you are an advertiser for sweepstakes that are running on trials, and you out of a sudden move into pay-per-lead. You go to these guys that are in the 4th life cycle, and you offer them the pay-per-lead stuff. And because they are your guinea pig, you have to pay for it. So you have to give this person a guarantee. You have to say, here's a new offer. We don't know 100% how it's going, but we guarantee you a conversion rate of this. We guarantee you a payout of this, a CPA of this, whatever is your biz model. Because in that way, the person is starting. You have built so much trust with this person that you know he will not send out of a sudden bot traffic and screw you over. And I think that's the key to success, to grow affiliates, to maintain affiliates, and to make the most out of your partnerships as a qualified affiliate manager and head of sales. That's it. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope we leave this for like 1 minute or something like this. So if you are interested in cooperating with us, or you simply want to have a chat or a beer or whatever, here are my contact details. I'm now doing the show best available on Telegram. Thank you very much. It feels so good after 1.5 years to speak in front of an audience about affiliate marketing. Thank you very much. Have a great show here in Dubai.